You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this Polish city, town. I think it's a town or city. What is it? Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more Polish. Stay tuned. The Polish pronunciation, Oświęcim. Oświęcim. How to say it in English? The English pronunciation, well, similarly, Oświęcim. Oświęcim. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.